दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना।
हाय पतेजा, हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई। 40वां बर्थडे है, एंजॉय करना। मैं ब्रह्मताल आया हुआ हूँ ट्रैकिंग पे, और तेरी बड़ी याद आ रही है शराब पी के। बहुत टाइम गुजारा भाई, तू शराब पी के आउट हो जाता था, फिर अगले दिन सुबह जाओ तो कुर्ता पजामा पहन के और नहा धो के भक्ति वाले गाने सुन रहा होता था भाई। भूल नहीं सकता मैं वो टाइम भाई। तेरी वजह से भाई कोझीकोड वाज अमेजिंग। और तू ध्यान रख अपना और हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम भाई। और बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे। तू आया था मेरे शादी पे बिना कपड़ों के, इस बार आएगा तो कपड़े लेके आइयो। और थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग। माय डेज इन के वर ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज ऑफ यू। टेक केयर भाई, एंड यू आर वेरी लकी टू हैव प्रीना बाय योर साइड। आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट गिफ्ट दैट यू कुड हैव एवर गॉट। एंजॉय। आई एम ड्रंक लाइक हेल, लाइक यू ऑलवेज सेड कि जब आदमी की गांड फटती है तो सबसे पहले उसकी हंसी बाहर आती है। टेक केयर भाई।
विपुल भाई, आपको 40वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। इस मौके पर चंद पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहूँगा। हो पूरी दिल की हर ख्वाहिश आपकी, और मिले खुशियों का जहां आपको। जब कभी आप मांगें आसमान का एक तारा, तो भगवान दे दे सारा आसमान आपको। एक बार फिर से हमारी तरफ से जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, शुभकामनाएं।
जहां पना अकबर, तुम भी बुढ़े हो गए। बीरबल का सलाम। मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे पथेजा। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। होप यू एंजॉय विद फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। And Preena, thank you for giving us this opportunity to send our messages. So on this day today, I'll give 2 messages to you, Patheja. One, I'm on the other side of 40, so I wanted to tell you, धीरे धीरे कुछ कुछ चीजें काम करनी बंद हो जाएंगी. For those who are thinking on the wrong direction, I want to tell you, it's your eyes and दारू पीने की capacity. That's where I'm hurting right now. Second, if I look back at 18 years of our friendship, I want to talk about the first defining moment which I had with Patheja. This was in our first term when we had a communications course, and Patheja comes to the class in the middle of the auditorium and starts talking about cows. The whole class was in splits for 5 minutes, and that presentation is legend. I have never seen someone with so much confidence, so much humor and audacity at the same time. So hats off to you, Patheja. It's been a pleasure knowing you and amazing friendship. So love you for that. And in the last, I would say, मैं अपने BCA भाइयों को हाजिर नाजिर जान के कहना चाहता हूँ, हेल टटेजा, चेयरमैन ऑफ BCA. Happy birthday.
Hey Vipul, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day on your 40th birthday. Although I think in your case the whole 40th birthday thing is being made too much of. I think in your case we could as well be celebrating your 80th birthday, and I'm sure nothing would have changed, because what is Vipul Patheja, who is Vipul Patheja, is really ageless. ना तेरी हरकतें बदलेंगी, ना तेरी फितरतें बदलेगी. I guess सिर्फ हालातें बदलेगी. And as for the latter, I wish you the best. Again, many congratulations. Have a blast.
भाई टटेजा, विशिंग यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई, एंड वेलकम टू द 40s क्लब. अब तुम भी हमारी तरह बूढ़े हो गए हो. You know, thanks to Preena for giving us this opportunity to you know, send you this video message. I think the best thing which happened to us during IMK is our BCA group, and the best part about it is we are still together. We are still you know, in constant touch with the entire group, and this group is the best thing which has happened to me at least. I don't know whether you remember, but हम दोनों हमारी फर्स्ट एलमनाई पार्टी में पुणे से मुंबई गए थे, और जो तुमने गंदगी मचाई थी भाई ड्यूरिंग आवर रिटर्न फ्रॉम मुंबई टू पुणे, right from you know finding a bus in which we can travel, a cheap bus which we can travel. बस के अंदर भी भाई तुमने थैली में उल्टी की थी भाई, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर. और आई थिंक बस वाला बहुत परेशान हो गया था तेरे से. कुछ भी एक भी बार तू और कुछ ज़्यादा करता तो आई थिंक हम दोनों को वो बस से बाहर फेंक देता. बट आई थिंक the way you handle things is amazing. The best thing again, which one more thing which I still remember, हम जबलपुर में मिले थे for Addy's marriage. और वहाँ जो तुमने किस्से सुनाए थे about Punjabi weddings is something which I will never forget in our life. Even मैं और स्मिता अभी भी हंसते हैं when we remember the things which you had told us. So anyways, I'll not take much time, but again a very happy birthday, and hopefully we'll meet you again. Okay.
Cheers Patheja bhai.
Cheers bhai, cheers. Happy birthday.
Many wishes on your 40th birthday Patheja, and we are just missing you. It's the same ठेका we always met when you were in Gurgaon. अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं, थोड़ी बियर हाथ में है.
एक बियर डाउन है मोदी. But it was, you know, good fun, Patheja. BCA is still BCA because of you. And IMK would not have been same after 15 years if it was not Patheja.
Patheja's association with us started from the first journey we had in the train. I think we used to travel a lot in Mangla Express.
Mangla Express, right.
Even Rajat used to be, you know, on board till Indore.
नागदा में आता था मैं भाई, नागदा में.
और हम लोग फिर दिल्ली तक जाते थे. But Patheja has been a legendary, you know, soul for all of us, all bhais, and in fact the entire IMK.
IMK, right.
So right. BCA must be a subset for him, but BCA has been a very important part in our lives, and we still, you know, continue to share our laughs and humor because of BCA, and the vision was entirely of Patheja's.
Still when we meet, you know, we half the time we are talking about old times only.
And most of the time the discussion is centered around Patheja's legends. Be it the cow presentation, or be it the Goa Sai Ram Palace, where Patheja went with Mahendra Bad for a puja after 3 packs down.
But the best, you know, episode which I remember with Patheja is when Patheja and I went to make our passport. Patheja के साथ उसकी वो कौन सी यजदी बाइक थी ना Patheja के पास.
यजदी, right.
यजदी, Patheja के साथ यजदी बाइक के अंदर बार जाना कमिश्नर के ऑफिस के अंदर एक सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए. And Patheja had his way, you know, through people. और
and you know, Rajat, Patheja के साथ not humor, we were also very intellectually engaged. Patheja and me actually were part of many groups. At least 7 to 8 projects we did together in one group, and it was not talent based group, it was bhai based group. So me, Patheja, Shri, Abhinav Gupta, we were all together in most of the groups, you know, and it was like comfort factor कि कोई ना कोई संभाल लेगा.
For me, I don't think I have attended any BCA weddings which I would definitely regret, but Patheja's wedding is possibly the only wedding which I was there for, and it was one of the most amazing time that I had.
Yeah, Preena, and many, you know, congratulations to the entire family, the daughters Preena and Vipul, and I think Preena has been working behind the scenes
and making us all remember all those good times which we actually had together. And I mean, we can actually sit for entire day and a week
Right.
and discuss about our associations, the many stories, the plays we did,
The Chamia Square.
Chamia Square.
And Pateja's innovative idea of making that pledge.
Yes, on Chamia Square, his exploits in the hotels of churao chicken and all those murgi thing.
One of the first days when I was there in IMK, when everybody was speaking in English, दिल्ली बॉम्बे के लोग आए हुए थे, मुझे लगा था यहाँ पे मिसफिट रहने वाला हूँ मैं. But Pateja made sure that we are at home, even though we were away from home, and it was good fun.
And in fact, after BCA also, मैं और पथेजा हम लोग काफी मिले हैं दिल्ली में because we were together here. So every month or two, at least हमारा एक beer दारू session हो जाता था. And I mean, I think BCA is what today is just because of one person's commitment, and we actually all loved his confidence and guts. And I mean, I've not seen lot many people with that guts, who actually can come to any forum, any meetings, any presentation with those innovative, attitude and innovative things. So,
I somehow, vaguely remember Pateja's interview, which he, mentioned in, IMK, where he, remember?
So-
Pateja was thrice asked to leave the, interview room, but he persisted and finally he made it to IMK and, BCA both. It takes a lot of guts.
And
Yeah.
Pateja's stories, I think once we actually met his college mates, I think the bachelor's party of Pateja, and they were also having a lot of stories about Pateja. So we thought that, yaar, ye hamare saath hi nahi hai. He has been like this for...
Pateja has many stories to back his credentials.
Right. So have a great time, Pateja, and we both are already on the other side of 40.
Right?
But let's keep this humor alive. I think this is what life is all about. खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, दारू पियो, enjoy करो दोस्तों के साथ. And as I think Gaurav also said and other bhais also said, IMK का हमारा best part is BCA.
Undoubtedly.
And it's all because of how we actually stayed connected. And though it's all about all the bhais, whenever we are in a different city or somebody is in our city, we make it a point to meet.
Right.
And I think we're all thankful to Pateja to start this club of BCA bhais, and I think we'll cherish it for our lives.
And you can't really capture 2 years in 5 minutes video.
Yeah.
But it's good.
So Preena, you should have invited us also to Dubai. That would have been a amazing fun.
Thank you, Preena.
Thank you so much.
Pateja, have a great time, and life is better after 40s.
Cheers, Pateja.
With friends. Don't
Yeah.
forget. Cheers.
Thank you.
Vipul bhai, happy 40th birthday. May you have a wonderful year, full of laughter, smiles, happiness and good health. बहुत टाइम से नहीं मिले हैं and I'm actually missing you a lot. Every time I think about you, I think about Kay. All the visuals start flashing in front of my eyes, and they always bring a smile. चाहे वो कूर्ग का ट्रिप हो, तेरे कमरे की टूटी कुर्सी, गोवा का ट्रिप, पार्टीज, और फिर के बाद महाजन की शादी, एडी की शादी, चिंपी की शादी. Everything was so much fun. One thing you may not remember, but what touched me the most and has impacted my life the most is when I was completely heartbroken and was at my lowest. You surprised me by organizing the screening of KBC episode and invited the whole class. That day, it told me something about you, which I did not know earlier, that you're extremely warm-hearted, you care, and you really value your friends. I really value you as my friend, and I can only wish you lots of success. May you live till 100 years and with the same 18-year-old heart. Goodbye. Have loads of fun with Preena, with the kids on your birthday, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Vipul.
wish you a very happy birthday and hope you have a really happy, healthy, and prosperous year and many years to come from this birthday. It's been really good to know you for so many years. We've not really interacted after college, but there are really nice memories that I have about you from campus. You've always been very frank and straightforward in your thoughts. I really wonder how you could express such clarity with such simple words. One of the things that I remember really well was our after party night that you used to share the bottle, the I wouldn't call it an empty bottle, near empty bottle with that cheta who used to clean our room, and the smile on that cheta room was worth $1 million. So it really shows a lot about the heart that you had for the people around you. Wish you all the success and all the happiness for you in years to come, Vipul. I really hope all of us get to meet together to relive great days that we had in K. Thank you. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई 40 ईयर्स ओल्ड माइलस्टोन बर्थडे 17 साल से आपको जानता हूँ एंड आई मस्ट से दैट यू आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूनिक एंड कॉन्फिडेंट इंडिविजुअल्स आई हैव हैड द प्रिविलेज ऑफ नोइंग एंड बीइंग फ्रेंड्स विद एंड कहने के लिए बहुत है आई जस्ट लिमिट माई सेल्फ टू अ फ्यू वन वॉज दैट फैंटास्टिक प्रेजेंटेशन यू गेव on the cow. It was so good that Chimpy actually asked you to repeat the same for B class. The way you presented, the way you communicated, the way you were the way you were naturally expressed what you felt about the cow, and it was like brilliant. And it was something we could learn from, how to present ourselves. And आपका I mean you are one of the smartest guys I know. I mean I still remember certain times हम लोग नाइट आउट मार रहे थे, दूसरे दिन कुछ एग्ज़ाम होती थी. ऑल ऑफ अस आर स्ट्रगलिंग हार्ड इन कॉम्प्रिहेंडिंग व्हाट इज़ टू बी रिटन एंड यू विल बी लाइक अस्लीप, वेकअप मिडनाइट, कम आज क्या चल रहा है, क्या मटेरियल है, क्या पढ़ना है, एंड यू विल देन लुक एट इट एंड द नेक्स्ट डे ड्यूरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन ऑल वर लाइक स्ट्रेस्ड आउट कैसे होगा, बट यू वर लाइक चिल्ड आउट and you always ended up scoring higher than most. It was like bond है भाई, और क्या बोल सकता हूँ मैं. एंड आपके जो ज्ञान सेशंस होते थे during the parties and the conversations we have had, they were like awesome. So many happy returns of the day again and cheers.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दोस्त, मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. अपनी बात हुए थोड़ा टाइम हो गया, बट यू शुड नो दैट यू आर मिस्ड. यहाँ आके मेरे दोस्त छूट गए, मेरी लौंडाई छूट गई, तू भी छूटा. थोड़ा लगता है, बातें मिस करता हूँ अपनी, तेरी कहानियाँ मिस करता हूँ. BCA में बहुत कहानियाँ हैं सबके पास, छोटी बड़ी जाने क्या क्या. तेरी सबसे ज़्यादा है. कूर्ग, गोवा, छमिया स्क्वायर, ESD, सबसे ज़्यादा. और तुम दारू पी के, तुम्हारी आदत भी थी पुरानी, और कहानियाँ सुनाते थे. साले ये नहीं पता लगता था क्या सच बोल रहा है क्या झूठ बोल रहा है. हंस दो बस. खैर, गुड़गांव में जब तू एयरटेल में आया, देन वी स्टार्टेड हैंगिंग आउट मोर टुगेदर. फ्राइडे शाम को मेरे घर पे आते थे, दारू, सुट्टा, चखना और कहानियाँ. वो बातें मैं मिस करता हूँ, वो बहुत याद रहती हैं. पुरानी दिल्ली का लड़का, साला कंफ्यूज दिल. Anyways, post-COVID, let's try to connect a bit more. I know, last few years, my bad. It's on me. I'll try a bit harder. Chalo, enjoy your day and count your blessings. And अपनी हेल्थ का थोड़ा ध्यान रखो और many more milestones to celebrate together. 60th बर्थडे पे ये मत कहना कि चखने में सैलड रखो, नमकीन मत रखो, एसिडिटी हो जाएगी, BP गोली खानी है. Let's not do that. Okay? Take care. And hopefully see you soon. Yeah, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. You have given me 40 years back on the same Sunday day a new designation of mother. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Your this birthday is you are like now a chili. So I put 2 chilies on your birthday cake. Thank
Happy birthday to you, Vipul. Happy birthday to my son.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे। बुढ़ा हो गया है, बाल रंगने पड़ेंगे, पतला हो जा, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा, बट खुश रहे, हैप्पी रहे और मोटा रहे। बाय, लव यू।
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday, dear Papa. I wish you have a nice birthday, Papa. You are the best, and you will have a very nice birthday. And I'm sure you're gonna like my gift which I give you. And I love you so much. Take care on your birthday. Please don't fight, and please have a lovely day. And God bless.
Can I want to say birthday wishes for Papa? Say happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa.
Many happy returns of the day, Vipul. Welcome to the 40s and welcome to the club. May God bless you and be happy always.
Happy birthday, Vipul. God bless you with good health, wealth, and happiness.
Happy birthday to you, Vipul. How are you? All is fine? Okay? Bye.
Thank you everybody for recording and sending such beautiful messages for Vipul. It really means a lot. Your friendship means a lot to him. So that is why I wanted that your messages should reach him on the right day. And but really blessed that आपने इतने प्यारे प्यारे messages भेजे हैं उसके लिए. वो जब सुनेगा तो उसको मज़ा आ जाएगा. I'm just waiting for 31st so that we can show him what we have done for him. It's just a thought which came in my mind. It's just one of the weeks night I was thinking what to do for him. So this is something which came and I saw Prashant online on Facebook and I just sent him a message that ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. So then he quickly made this group. Thank you so much Prashant for helping me out to make me meet all of you beautiful people, the BCA gang. I don't know what BCA stands for, but anyways, जो भी है, it's okay. It's a secret. Let it be. Let the leader take the charge. He haven't told me ever. I've tried to ask him so many times कि क्या मतलब है, कुछ भी सोच लो. So it's okay. मैं कुछ भी सोच लूँगी. So it's fine. And thank you every one of you who's done this beautiful recording for Vipul, and you made this special thing and special 40th birthday for him. So now I would like to give a message to my husband. Thank you Vipul for coming in my life. It really means a lot to me. My life had really changed since you have come, and looking forward for more such wonderful years with you, which is very beautiful. The things have seriously has become, you become mature, you live together and you learn a lot from him. He's a very amazing guy, a very humble, a sensible and a very caring father, which Anya can very well say. Anya, is he very loving father?
The most loving in my whole life.
The most loving in my whole life. See, Anya loves his father so much. So is Kiara, and we love you Vipul so much. God bless you with tons of happiness. You can just be the way you are. Just be
I'm
as
so
caring.
happy you're real.
Oh, obviously he's real, Anya. And so as I love singing, I have been a singer a long time back, but I still sing. So there's a couple of lines which I thought I would like to sing for you, Vipul. This is for you. मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. God bless you. We love you so much. Bye.
beautiful